Copper is one of the most valuable metals in scrap recycling. Today, we're processing household electrical wires with our 300 kg per hour copper wire recycling machine. Instead of selling mixed scrap cables at a low price, this system separates copper from plastic and transforms waste wires into high-value copper granules. The process is simple and efficient. Waste wires are crushed, the copper is fully liberated, and then separated from plastic through an advanced air separation system. The final products are clean copper granules and reusable plastic particles. With copper prices remaining high, every kilogram of recovered copper means more profit. Suitable for household wires, appliance cables, communication wires, and other mixed scrap cables. Turn waste wires into valuable resources and increase your recycling profits. For more recycling equipment demonstrations and recycling solutions, welcome to subscribe to our channel.